Free bathroom remodeling catalogs for bathroom renovation. When it comes to finding your dream home design, free bathroom remodeling catalogs are the perfect easy way to get inspired and find plenty of ideas for renovating your new bathroom design. You will get a sense of the best styles that matches your home size and the theme you are looking for. That's why nowadays when looking for a remodeling contractor, it is natural to first search around and collect your own gallery of favorite renovation designs to choose from. So after your contractor observes your house and gives you an estimated cost and timing, they can also take a look at your collection and help you choose the best design that matched your house. Whether you find your remodeling ideas and photos online or on paper, it is helpful to collect the best ones that catch your interest. Even if you only like a certain part of a picture, you can cut that part and keep it in your collection. You will be surprised how a mixture from various photos will end up making your dream design.